In this video, I will show you how to download Unity. So let's jump straight into it. Now, to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to the official website, which is unity.com. Once you come across to the website, what you need to do is come up to the top right-hand corner and you're going to see this blue plans and pricing button. So what you want to do is give that a click. What that's going to do is take you across to a page like this. So you can see all the different versions of Unity. You've got, for example, Unity Student, Unity Personal, Unity Pro, Enterprise, Education Grant License, and Unity Educator. So what you want to do is just basically look for the type of Unity that you want to download. You can learn more about each different plan by clicking the blue Learn More button underneath the relevant plan that you want to learn more about. Now in this example, we're just going to download the Unity Personal. So as you can see, it says get started with the free version of Unity for any creator looking to bring their idea to life. This includes the latest version of the Unity editor, educational resources for getting started, and a customizable splash screen. So what I'm going to do is come and click on download now. Just bear in mind some of these are paid for, but this one's a free plan. And what that's going to do is take you to the download page. All you need to do from here is click the download button over here, and that's going to start downloading onto your PC. So it should only take a minute or two to download. As you can see, Unity has now finished downloading. So once this is finished, what you can do is click onto it to start installing Unity onto your PC. Here we are back on my desktop, and what you're going to want to do is just read through the terms of service and then click I agree at the bottom. I've already done this. And then you want to choose where to install Unity, whether you want to install that onto your PC, or you can click browse and choose your external hard drive if you want to install it on an external hard drive. As you can see, Unity Hub is now being installed, so it only takes a minute or two to install this onto your PC. Once that's done, you're going to get the complete setup window like this, and you can leave the box ticked to run Unity straight away. So we're going to click on to finish, and what's going to happen is Unity is going to load up on my PC. Here we are. As you can see, Unity Hub has now loaded through. If you're new to Unity, there is a link here to create an account, but if you do have an existing account, just simply click the blue sign in button. What you can then do is go ahead, sign into your account and start using Unity. So that is how to download Unity. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.